Hey guys, in this video I am going to prove 2 is equal to 1. But how? I will prove it in 6 basic steps using the rules of mathematics. You guys have to find the mistake where I use the wrong rule of mathematics. So let's start with step 1. Let x equals y. Second step, multiplying 2 on both sides. If we assume these two equations as number 1 and 2, then we will subtract these two equations in step number 3. Subtracting these equations, we get 2x minus x on left side and 2y minus y on right side. Now, if we change the sides of these two terms minus x and 2y, then as per rule of mathematics, changing the side of x and 2y, we have to change the signs. So we get 2x, 2y here becomes minus 2y, and negative x becomes positive x on the right side. Now, if we take 2 as common, we get 2 into x minus y, and there is nothing common, so we can take 1. We get 1 into x minus y. Now the final step is to divide x minus y on both sides. We have this equation in step number 5, but if we divide this equation by x minus y on both sides, we get, cancelling these terms, 2 equals 1. So we have proved this 2 is equal to 1 using basic mathematics rules, but you have to find the mistake, which step is wrong according to mathematics. It's a challenge for you.